Hey guys, I am back for a really quick video to show you the November Goodnotes freebies that I have so far. So far what I have is 4 templates. This set will come in dark mode and light mode. It is a November calendar. It is not dated, so you can reuse it each November. And then I have a weekly Goodnotes template. Also not dated, doesn't have November on it, even though it's a November freebie, so you can use it any month, any week that you want. You just add in your dates. It's as easy as just clicking the button here to download this and download this. And with each of them, you will get the Goodnotes files and the PDF. I'm going to show you what it looks like in Goodnotes really quick. This is on my Mac. I usually use Goodnotes on my iPad, but it's easier to show you this way. Okay, so here is the light mode, November calendar, the dark mode. Then here is the weekly, light mode, and dark mode. So these you can just import in. You can import in the PDF or the Goodnotes file. I like to provide the PDF just in case the Goodnotes file doesn't work for you some reason, or if you decide to start digital planning in another digital planning app, you'll be able to use the PDF. So when you go here and you download this, it comes as a zip file, and in there it'll have 2 PDFs and 2 Goodnotes files. And that's the same for set 1 and set 2. I'll be adding more, probably some stickers, and for my monthly Goodnotes freebies, I do add them as I make them. So be sure to come back. You can go to the monthly Goodnotes freebies tab up here, and you can see all of my previous months. A lot of them are specific to the month, and a lot of them aren't. So like these you could use whenever you wanted. This notebook, these stickers. So feel free to go through, add them all. I do recommend making a spec on a spec folder so you can start to keep track of everything you've downloaded. Once you're done there, then you can head over to the Goodnotes tab and look at all of the free Goodnotes notebooks, stickers, templates that I put up previous to doing it monthly. So you can go here and check out all of the templates that I have. You can check out stickers, notebooks. I also take requests, so drop a comment below if you have a request for what you want me to make next, and let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my freebies and also how to make these. I do a lot of videos on showing you how to do these if you want to do yours a little bit different than the way that I do it. I am going to be making a video showing how I make these weekly and monthlies in Canva, so let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.